Alright everyone, today we are doing schiaparellis now. Start with a blue color background. I'm sponging white art gel and line work to make it look like denim jean. Using cat eye to make an eyeballs. Put on clear 3D jelly and then follow up with white 3D jelly. Then I'm gonna apply Teflon matte to isolate chrome. Using black 3D jelly, I am gonna build a bulk around the eyeballs. Wipe it with acetone and drop on gold chrome. Now I am gonna use black texture gel. This gonna help me emboss around the bulk to make detailed chrome patterns. A double chrome process at its best. Now on the other fingers, I am gonna use my black 3D jelly to build a bulk for nose and mouth. I'm gonna enhance the detail with black texture gel and then cover around it to make everything smooth. Rub on your gold solid chrome and you are done. I can't wait to see what this look like. What do you think about this look, honey? I feel like I need to be in Paris. Bye.